In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Vids to create webinars. Creating webinars can be a fantastic way to reach out to a wider audience, share your expertise, or promote your products and services. And now, thanks to Google Vids, setting up a webinar has never been easier. Let's dive right in. The journey starts by navigating to Google Vids. It's an innovative platform by Google that streamlines the process of creating engaging video content, including webinars. To get started, simply head to the Google Vids website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Google interface with an emphasis on video content creation. Once there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one you want to use for creating your webinar. This can be your personal account or perhaps a dedicated account you've set up for your business or organization's video content. After signing in, you're ready to get started with your webinar creation. Look for the File option in the menu. This will open up a range of options, but what you're interested in is creating a new video. Click on New Video to proceed. This is where the real fun begins as you start to bring your webinar to life. Now it's time to specify what type of video you'd like to create. In the search bar or the designated field, type in Create Webinars. This action signals Google Vids to provide you with all the necessary tools and templates tailored towards webinar creation. It's Google's way of making sure you have everything you need at your fingertips. Hit Next after typing in your request to proceed to the arrangement phase. This is where you get to organize your content in a way that best suits your webinar. Think of it as the storyboard phase, where you decide how your webinar will flow. Editing the arrangement is not just about the order of content. It's also about making sure each segment seamlessly transitions into the next, ensuring your audience remains engaged from start to finish. Spend some time experimenting with different arrangements until you find one that feels just right. Once you're happy with the arrangement, clicking Next will take you to one of the most exciting parts: selecting a design. Google Vids offers a variety of design templates to choose from, each crafted to suit different themes and topics. Take a moment to explore these options. Consider your webinar's subject matter, your brand's aesthetic, and what you think will resonate most with your audience. After selecting a design, you'll reach a pivotal moment, creating the draft video. This is where all your preparatory work starts to take shape. Click on Create the Draft Video. Google Vids will then compile all the elements you've selected, arrangement, design, and content into a cohesive draft video. But remember, it's a draft for a reason. Once your draft video is created, take the time to review it thoroughly. This is your opportunity to make any necessary adjustments or refinements. Even the smallest tweak can make a significant difference to the finished product, so don't skip this step. And there you have it. You've now initiated the process of creating a webinar using Google Vids. Of course, the journey doesn't end here. After creating your draft video, you'll likely spend some time editing and perfecting it before it's ready for its grand debut. Remember, the key to a successful webinar is not just in the content, but also in how it's presented. Google Vids provides you with a robust platform to ensure your webinar is as engaging and impactful as possible. So take advantage of the tools and features available to you. As you become more familiar with Google Vids, you'll discover even more ways to enhance your webinars, adding layers of sophistication and professionalism to your presentations. In closing, embrace the creativity and flexibility that Google Vids offers. Whether you're sharing knowledge, connecting with your community, or showcasing a new product, webinars are a powerful tool in your digital arsenal. And now, with this newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to creating webinars that captivate and engage. Thank you for joining me today. Dive in, experiment, and most importantly, have fun creating your webinars.